Is DeepSeek better than ChatGPT? Now, if you've been using ChatGPT, then you might have probably heard of this new LLM, which is language-based model, which is DeepSeek. To access ChatGPT, you can go to chatgpt.com. To access DeepSeek, you can go to chat.deepseek.com. Now, DeepSeek and ChatGPT are both powerful large language models with their own strengths and weaknesses. DeepSeek is fairly new and is known for its ability to explain its reasoning process, making it easier to understand how it arrives as it answers. This can be particularly useful for tasks like coding and math, where understanding the logic is crucial. And additionally, DeepSeek is currently free for end users, while on the other hand, ChatGPT has a subscription-based model, and they have so many different versions of models, and some of them are only for premium users, while DeepSeek is completely free. Now, ChatGPT is generally considered more proficient in generating human-like conversations and answers, making it a better choice for tasks like creative writing and casual conversation. Now, it's worth noting that both models are constantly evolving and their capabilities may change over time. Trying both models yourself is often the best way to determine which one suits your needs. I hope this video helped you gain some clarity whether or not what is better for you and what you can use for your daily usage. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.